Welcome, today in front of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone application and then here click on the right upper corner on two dots. Then just click here to block and filter and click again to the two blocks. Click here to set rules and here you will see the blacklist section. Click here and as can you see here we got two block numbers in our blacklist, and just to block one from this number, hold for a while, you'll select here, as can you see here we got one selected number, and just to remove one or two of these numbers you should click here to remove icon and click again to remove from blacklist. So that's it, as can you see that's really easy. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.